Welcome! In this video, we will cover the scheduling page and some of the basics you as the user will need to know in order to locate customer properties and view account information. Once you have logged into your Field Central web account, navigate to the schedule page either via the main menu or the quick action panel on the left side of the screen. From the schedule page, users will first need to identify the account they wish to schedule by using the Select a Contact field. Begin by typing either text or numbers, and accounts will begin to populate. Notice there will be different icons based on if it's a contact, property, or management company. Selecting the contact option will require the user to then select the property they wish to schedule from the drop-down menu. Selecting the property option will pre-fill the contact info, though users can select another contact from the drop-down if applicable. In this case, the user is able to schedule directly with no further action. Selecting the management company option will require the user to then select the property they would like to schedule. Once the desired information is selected, some additional account information will appear. Best practice would be to quickly confirm this information with the customer when scheduling their service. These fields are customizable and can be edited in Settings under the Schedule View section. Ready to give it a go and schedule your next visit?